Don't worry about China, it will all be fine. Highly respected President Xi just had a bad moment, Trump said on his Truth Social platform, adding, the USA wants to help China, not hurt it. Result, Dow Jones was back in positive action in yesterday's trade, up over 1%. Well, it seems that bulls have a chance to make a comeback after Monday's short break. Adding to positive sentiments, India's CPI inflation slipped below the RBI target band for the second time this quarter, on a seasonal correction in perishable food costs, with the segment declining on the year. India's annual retail inflation slowed to 1.54% in September, an 8-year low, government data showed on Monday, leaving room for the central bank to cut rates one more time. Bottom line, wear your bullish caps once again. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of rupees 240 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 2,333 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some rebound play. FANO October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index increased towards 11 levels. At last check, USD, INR, October, was trading near the 88.74 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.02 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.11. Nifty outlook. Nifty likely to resume its journey on the upside amidst positive global cues. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 25,227. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,021 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,000 and 25,300. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 82,327. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 81,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,200 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,500 and 82,700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 56,625. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 55,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 56,900 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,800 and 56,800. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The street received a setback at the start of a fresh week where Nifty opened gap down but recouped most of its losses. Bank Nifty outperformed, supported by strength in PSU banks, thus ending the day in green. Stocks in spotlight. Tuesday, 14th October, ICICI Lombard, ICICI Prudential, Persistent Systems, and Tech Mahindra. Wednesday, 15th October, Axis Bank, HDFC AMC, and HDFC Life. Thursday, 16th October, Heavyweights Infosys, Jio Financial, LTI Mindtree, Mastek, Nestle India, Wipro, and Zee Entertainment. Friday, 17th October, Reliance Industries, the centerpiece of the earnings season.